We can see in the picture have one mother dog. She just gave 7 puppies. And now this is the story. We can see their owner need to know. Give them a quick question for củ cải and carrot. He's trying to predict how many puppies Kim Ji would give. He thinking and he answer need to know. 8 puppies. And how about you, carrot? Carrot just thinking, like at his father. How to answer? Carrot answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 puppies. Okay, they give answer to their owner need to know. Okay, just wait. And now, củ cải and Kim Ji are waiting in the front of Kim Ji cave. Today we tell about the famous dog family Kim Ji and củ cải in Vietnam. For those who love in the companion animal community. Actually, Kim Ji has already given birth to puppies, but I would like to briefly review her birth process. Yes, very good. She just born the first puppy. And male or female? Yes, male. Okay. Yes. Chi ơi, em giỏi lắm. Her husband hybrid say and in outside volunteer her. You very good. Try your best. My wife. The first baby, the first puppy. The mother symptom when preparing to give a birth or discomfort in her body, looking for the place to bedding, beating, walking around, and occasion bend. Beside there is her husband củ cải and her son carrot. I'm beside you. Quite tired. Yes, she's quite tired. Yes, she take care of her puppy. One, two, three, four, five. Yes, drink milk. Because she bent, so she cannot eat. She just drink some milk. Need to know, yes, max for her. Yes. Củ cải he very snotty. When his mother scolded him, he was so confused that he immediately went to his mother's milk to drink. As we know, a mother, yes. Very funny, his face very funny. Kim Ji eat a little bit. As we know, a mother dog pregnant period for about 60 days with a difference of a few days. Củ cải and kimchi are very smart dogs, and carrot is their child. She's quite tired. Carrot. Yes, maybe she still get one more puppy. Maybe. Yes, she try. Maybe one more puppy. Carrot care about his mother, but because he was banned, she yelled at him. His face has rather funny expression. Because yes, she very banned in the periods of give birth. Yes, give puppies. So maybe he a little bit nervous, angry, stressed. Yes, she scold. Carrot. But beside that, Carrot is maybe she love and she worry a little bit for his mother, born baby. So he want to around, motivate his mother. But unluckily, his mother scold him because she's very stressed. Yes, she don't want Carrot near. Yes, a little bit tired. Carrot just waiting. Just looking for around, looking for puppy, looking for his mother. he complain. He a little bit sad because his mother don't want he near her puppy. Yes. So there may be total 7 puppies total. Male much more than female. Very funny. Mituno, her owner, took care Kimchi for 2 days because he give a puppy. Yes, she take care as her daughter, born baby. They sleep. Kimchi sleep because she tired. After 2 days, born baby, born puppy, she tired. No eat, don't eat. Just sleep, drink some milk, and her puppy nipple. Look lovely. Very funny, very cute. So I just want to review on the process. There's the Kimchi give a puppies. Total puppy 7 puppy. Yes, 7 puppy. Male or female? Female. Yes, female. Kimchi very good. This is Labrador. Kimchi Labrador, củ cải Labrador, rich. Yes. Labrador breeds, they are very smart.